What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite Cincinnati shoe tuber. My name is Chaz Jones. Let's get straight to the video. Today we got a pair of kicks that aren't for me. They are actually for my fiance, and I had got her these for Christmas. These shoes are really nice. I love them. We both tried hard to get them, and I think a lot of people tried hard to get them, but we couldn't get them because there were, how many did we try? We tried on my laptop, we tried on my iPad, we tried on 2 iPhones. So we tried hard to get these. We actually might have tried on 3 iPhones if I'm not wrong. So that's about 4 to 5 devices if you're counting. And this pretty much happens with every shoe. And I want to hear you guys' story on shoes that you could not get when they were coming out. This is one of those from us that just was impossible for us to get, and we were real upset about it. We couldn't get it. But now we have it because I went, again, not our advertisement, but through GOAT to go get these. So I hope you guys like these. I hope you guys, you probably are, some of you might have them, some of you might not. But it's a super dope shoe, and I can't wait to show it off to you guys. So let's get to it. And here it is. So, as you can see, we have a Jordan 1 box. Got the Nike, red all over, red all over, red all over on top of black. All Nike sounds. And now, this probably will make it easier for you guys to know what the shoe is. If not, just hang tight. It'll be there. It'll be here in a minute. So, this one says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG GS Black, White, Game Royal, Noir, Black, Wave, Royal, Noir. That's the colorway. This retail, because it is kids, at $130. So yeah, that's the colorway. Let's get to the shoe. In 3, 2, and here we go. The Jordan 1 Game Royal. The Jordan 1 Royal Toe. These were hard to get for a lot of people. Some people did get them, some people didn't. We were just unlucky, and we were one of those that didn't get them. It's hard to get them on Foot Locker. Foot Locker, if you know, you're just gonna get kicked out of sight. It's hard to get on Finish Line. You know, it's hard, or you're gonna get kicked out on the site. I've seen a lot of people say that bots had bought these months back, and it was pretty hard just to get our hands on one. So what I did was surprise her with these because she hasn't had a pair of Jordan 1 highs. So I surprised her with her first pair, and that was this one. This is a really, really clean shoe. I love it. I feel like this will be a timeless colorway, just like what the Bread Toe is. But yeah, this is a dope sneaker. The quality is really good on there. The leather, it bends, it gives where it needs to give, and yeah, I love it. The toe area is plush, so this shoe is really dope. It has the white branding Nike Air on the tongue. It comes with a pair of blue laces, which she will probably put in. If she does, I will take pictures, let you guys see. She will be doing on feet for this video, so you guys will get to see your first on feet with her modeling them. So yeah, these were, I think I paid somewhere around $400 for them. They were, I did instant ship just so, because if you guys know, around Christmas, as you guys know, with the mailing problems and everybody being home and most people ordering their things for Christmas this year, it was super hard to get these in hand and have these so I could do a review on them, and I just had to make sure that I got them in time for her because she deserves it. And yeah, but these were pretty cool to get, and I actually ordering through this through GOAT with instant shipping. I got these the day after I ordered them, so that was the dopest thing to me, is that I got them within 1 day here. That was it. But yeah, these are pretty dope to me, and I live in Ohio. I think their office is based off of maybe in Texas or something, but these came next day. Not lying, just next day. Every time. But I'll let you guys see a little bit closer with it. tongue is like that little nylon type feel, and then you also have, like I said, it comes with the black laces that you either have to tie up, or the royal laces that she said she might possibly do. But then you get the black on the toe, you get the black on the collar area, you get the black on the lace area, you get the black on the heel area, you get the black on the swoosh, you get the white on the I think this is called the quarter panel, if I'm correct. Then you have a blue outsole. And yeah, Jordan 1s are classic sneakers, and I think that it goes without saying I am going to give it 5 stars just because they didn't mess it up. Jordan 1s for years before has been such an easy shoe for Jordan Brand just to mess up because of all the different colors that they came out with. But this is a perfectly good one, and I'm happy that they're releasing it as they are because it gives everybody a chance to get one. And to me, that's the dopest thing about sneakers. So I want everybody to be able to get what they want to get. Yes, some shoes are cool that they're exclusive, but I'm more of a man who's happy for everybody to get the shoes that they want to get, and them to, because not everybody's gonna wear them the same. People will wear them differently, and that's one of the biggest things to me is seeing what you do to your shoes and how you style them different. But yeah, these are the Jordan 1 Royal Toes. I'm giving them 5 star based off of the stitching is actually pretty perfect. I don't see anything wrong with the stitching. I don't see anything wrong with peaks or anything. Everything is just flows perfect with this shoe. And let me check the other one. And it looks like the other one is pretty much perfect too. The color, everything. Everything to me with these shoes are perfect. Jordan 1 Royal Toes. What else can I say? Jordan 1s already are a perfect silhouette. And then if you just don't mess it up and you use the right colors on it, you get everything you need out of it. And this will be a classic timeless shoe, just like the Royal is to me. I know a lot of people are like, oh, but it's not the Royal. But this is something that didn't mess up the sneaker. It's a timeless colorway because it's blue and black, white. Where else could you go wrong with the sneaker? So yeah, this is really dope Jordan 1 to me, and it'll get better over time. Even as it's worn, it'll look even better. So yeah, 5 stars, and I want to make sure that you guys stay safe out there. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Those of you who are watching, please comment below what you guys will want to see me get in next. I will try my best to get it, what you guys think of the video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at samurai__Jones, and follow me on Twitter at thecareless_1 ONE. And that's it for today, guys. I just want you guys to stay safe out there, stay blessed,